Hi, Bree here with HB Global. Alex asked with me to share with you what is the DX difference to us. First, I would like to say that we've had nothing but great success working with DX and making programs unique for our organization. What I think is really, truly the biggest impact is that the experiential learning that our employees get from DX is beyond amazing. Our employees are so used to the standard lecture where a trainer stands in front of the room, but when DX comes in, not only is the room powerful and the conversations are impactful, our employees have the ability to learn while they're having fun. Sometimes a little bit stressful experiential situations, but I am just so glad that we were introduced to DX and that we were able to bring DX into our organization. Keep rocking it. We really appreciate everything you do. Glad you had a great year. Hope that the next year is even more awesome. Take care. Bye.